What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Modeline. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, a little bit of home decor with you. This is something that I don't want to do. I never want to do it, but I'm like, you're an hypocrite because every time you go on YouTube, you just type apartment tour. That's all I watch on YouTube. I'm obsessed with people home decor. I'm obsessed with people apartment. I'm obsessed with everything that have to do with home. But today I want to be stopping hypocrite and I want to show you guys my coffee table from Western Hut and my side table. A lot of things I got from CB2. And let's just do it together. Let's just cook together as always. You know, I love to cook, I love to eat, and I love to share with you so you can do it for your home, for your family. And please subscribe, like, comment this video. So let's just start the video. Let me just say something, because no matter what you do, people can criticize. People don't be like, yeah, why you do this, why you do that. But I wanted to invest in furniture from Western Hardware because I want to take it with me whatever way I go in my forever home. I just want to take it with me. We don't like moving, and we don't like keep buying furniture like every year or every 2 years. We want to buy something that's gonna last like, you know, like forever. So that's why I purchased this coffee table and side table from Western Hardware. But yeah, like I said before, we thought we was gonna move it 100% sure, but it didn't happen. When you plan, God laugh, because that's not God plan, that's your plan. But anyway, we here, we're live, so that's all matter, and I'm grateful, I'm thankful. Sorry about the news. Okay, guys. Oop, I'm so excited. I just got to deliver from Western Hardware. So this is the coffee table and this is the side table. So it's the same. I'll show you guys after when my husband put everything up. I don't know if I'm gonna just show you the unboxing or, you know, while he's trying to put everything together. But I'll make sure I give you guys how everything looks like. And I'll give you guys a full tour. I'm so excited. Guys, this is the coffee table from Western Hardware. It's massive. It's like a gray oak. It got a little bit of oak in there, but not too noticeable. Beautiful, strong. This one is like 250 pounds. It's really heavy, large, long. I didn't think it was that long because I purchased it online. Oh my God, I'm in love. But I'm not gonna show you guys the whole living room now because I have to, you know, fix everything. And I purchased some coffee table books from Amazon. And this is the side table in the corner right there. It's beautiful. Like, it's, oh my God. I'm in love. This gonna stay with me forever. I'm gonna take this everywhere. My forever home, and next apartment, and next house. Make sure you guys stay tuned for this vlog because subscribe, like, comment, and turn off your notification because I'm gonna show you guys our whole apartment tour. And then the rug from overstock. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Ah, look at this texture. It's a handmade rug. It's beautiful, beautiful. Amazon, and I want to show you guys what I got. So it says one, the next, another one, another one, another one. Purchase it's about 8 coffee table books. Really affordable, really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you guys after. Okay, this is what it looks so far. It's huge. Just coffee table, it's huge, right? So that's what it looks so far. It looked empty. I'm not gonna even lie. I don't want to put too much. Look at this. I don't want to put too much because I have a toddler and then it is what it is. So I'm gonna try to keep it empty as possible until she understands how to just stop touching things. But for now, I'm probably gonna put that. And this is side table. Just put these 2 books right there. Very cute. And we'll see because you see what I'm telling you? It's cooking time, guys. It's cooking time. I love cooking. We love to eat. And today I'm gonna make some breast chicken, potato salads with avocado. Very tasty. watch the full video, guys. Please like, comment, share this video. Don't forget to hit that bell when I post the next videos, because it's gonna be late. It's gonna be our apartment, yes. And guys, do not mind my nails. I'm about to do it. So guys, I will see you next time. Enjoy your holiday and stay safe. God bless you. See you next time. Bye. I'm gonna get my brush chicken right. And then I'll cut it, and then little pieces. And just gonna get me some syrup.